Hey stylistas! I have a great product for you today. We're going to be talking about our hair. First off, I'm pretty sure most of you, especially hairdressers, cosmetologists in the industry, have heard of Olaplex. There's a new up-and-coming bond reconstructor on the market from Brae, B-R-A-E. It's called Bond Angel. I have been using it on my hair and my mother-in-law's hair. You're going to see in the upcoming videos, one, me lightening her hair with Bond Angel. She went from red to a platinum blonde, and then she now has a, kind of like a highlighted with a light blonde. So it's platinum with a light blonde highlights. Anyway, we lifted the red safely out of her hair, 2 bleaching sessions with volume 30 and the Bond Angel in the mix. Completely got rid of the red. I was happy. I was a little scared at first doing all the lifting here at home, but it turned out wonderful. It got the red completely out and safe. Her hair is not damaged, it's not breaking, it's not brittle and dry, it's not falling out. So within 2 days, 2 lightning sessions and 1 coloring session, her hair, she loves it, it's amazing. Most importantly, we were looking at the health of the hair, and I think her hair is healthier now actually than what it was before when she was just dyeing it red. Myself, you'll see in the video after hers, I was blonde and I was thinking about going platinum. However, with the Bond Angel, you can use it in lightening the hair to go platinum. You can use it in your color to help fortify your hair, to help strengthen those bonds and still protect it. You can also use it in your keratin treatment. It doesn't matter what brand, you choose your favorite, but I highly recommend adding Bond Angel as your reconstructor in any of your treatments. Chemical, as far as bleaching, keratin, or coloring. With this, you can also do your own little reconstructor. You use step 1. It's a 1:6 ratio, so 1 tablespoon of this, 6 tablespoons of fresh, I'd say bottled water, tap water. I'd use bottled water. You comb it through, you leave it on 20 minutes, and then you take a little bit of the Bond Reconstructor, number 2 here, and you comb that through, you leave that on 20 minutes, and then you go shower, rinse it off, shampoo like you normally do, and you get nice, smooth hair. That's the only process step I didn't do on video, but it's on their website. All the links are below. You can order it, you can check it all out, look at the info yourself. I'm impressed. I love doing my hair at home. To each their own, I guess, but I definitely recommend cosmetologists and hairdressers to check out Brae Bond Angel. I think it's going to be the next best up-and-coming thing. You're going to even have clients asking for it. Are you using Brae? Are you using the Bond Angel? Are you using a Bond Reconstructor? That's even hitting the shelves. These blonde and bleaching kits already have these reconstructor add-ins with them. That's happening. So check out Bond Angel. It's a nice thick product. There was no harsh smells or anything, so when you're thinking about reconstructing your hair, deep conditioners, fortifying it, you really don't want no real thick chemical smell, right? Definitely check out Bond Angel. I'm completely impressed. We're going to do the reconstructing bonding on my mother-in-law's hair as well, where you take 1, ratio it up 1:6, put it in, leave it 20 minutes, put number 2 in, comb it through, rinse, do that to hers as well. It can literally be like a once-a-month treatment, especially if you are bleaching your hair all the time. So I love that it offers that little extra to help with your hair. And as you can tell, mine is colored. It's kind of fading now, so I need to redo my purple. It's kind of going into blues and grays. But I have my Bond Angel here because I went through, you'll see in the video I was blonde, a couple different bleaching processes, lightening, and then I decided to do the color. And the color, you'll see, turned out absolutely amazing. And I can thank Bond Angel for helping save my hair through that whole process, because really it could be really dry and brittle right now. I'm telling you, people, it could really be breaking right now. But I think that the Bond Angel, I know that the Bond Angel had a lot to do with saving my hair, and since I want to do some more color, I'll be adding that in. And I think I'm going to be, no, I will be, it'll be a couple weeks, but I'm going to do another video with Bond Angel and my next color, I think, too, because the brand got to be that I used for the hair color. I'm impressed, and we'll do that in another video. But anyway, check out Brae, check out Bond Angel, watch the videos that are coming up. I think you'll be impressed to see how well the red got lifted out, and you'll see me run my fingers through her hair. It's soft as ever. Definitely check out the links below, and I will check you guys later.